Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is October 1st, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Palantir at least now closed up a little bit. So we closed up 29 cents, 1.21% at 24.33. Post-market, we seem to be down that 33 cent at $24. After 4 red candle day, we are having a green day with a long wick at the bottom. So nice buying pressure during the day. So we stopped and touched 23.74 perfectly. The low was at 23.72. So this is confirming that our support at 23.74 was perfect. Let's go see the 1 hour charts. The first hour of the day was right here. So we opened above here, then went straight down and touched our 23.74 support. Second candle was nice and green. So we basically recovered everything that we lost during the first hour. So that was a nice sign, and we can see that because of that, our little stochastic took a little bump from 6 to 26, and also we have a crossover bullish on the MACD. You can trade on the hourly chart using several of these indicators and MACD and everything. MACD is a very early indicator, so when a stock has been going down, and as soon as it turns around a little bit, MACD is right there to give you a signal. So that signal does not mean that the stock is going to go up always, but if you combine that MACD signal with another signal, maybe crossing this resistance right here, then maybe you have a higher probability of getting in early into a recovery for Palantir. So right now Palantir is into this downward channel. So once Palantir is going to break, and let me give you the exact number here. So 24.34, let me write it down. 24.34. So once Palantir breaks, I'm just going to check the visibility. So once Palantir breaks this 24.34, this should mean that we are going to head back to this resistance right here. We might go back down though. We might go back down because after this big drop, it's rare to see a stock just recover and go back up. So we might go back down right here, maybe retest 23.74 again before breaking that resistance again for good. This is what I see for now. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. Stochastic is at 10.95. So still pretty low on the daily chart. So even though you can trade on the hourly chart and make some money there, to make money on the daily chart for a longer term point of view, then it's going to take a little more. It's going to take a little more because stochastic is at 10.95. Stochastic crossed over bearish, and it's going to take a while for a stochastic on the daily chart to cross over bullish, and the same for DMI. So the damage has been done on the daily chart. So although you can get some swings on the hourly chart, those swings are going to be smaller because they won't coincide with swings on the daily chart at the same time. So the best way to make money for the longer term is to go on a higher time frame. And this is the way that you can catch great swings, but those are more rare than the swings that are happening on smaller time frames. But the swings that are happening on smaller time frames are smaller, so you just need to get in, get out appropriately. So at least it's nice to see Palantir slowing down its descent. So we have a nice day today. We see that post-market, we are still down a little bit at 24, but 24 is still above 23.74. So let's just wait to see what is happening, and hopefully we have reached a floor, and let's just give Palantir some time to recover. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a YouTube member of this channel. And this weekend we are going to take a look at the daily, weekly, and monthly chart for Palantir and Tesla, because the month of September just ended. We can look at what happened this week and how it impacted the weekly chart and the monthly chart. You need to be a member in order to see this. It's only $5 a month. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. If not, I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Monday and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.